Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Mapbox for custom maps and no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Mapbox website at mapbox.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill out the required fields to create your new account. You can use your email address or opt for signing in with Google. Once your account is created, log in to your Mapbox account. Navigate to the pricing section to explore available plans. Choose a plan that fits your needs for custom maps and no-code applications. Click on Get Started or Buy Now for the selected plan. Review the payment options presented. Enter your payment details and any other required information. Once your payment is processed, you'll have access to your Mapbox account. Next, go to the Access Tokens section in the Mapbox dashboard. Here, you will find your default access token. Copy this token, as you will need it for your no-code app. Open your no-code app platform. Locate the section where external APIs or services can be integrated. Paste the access token you copied from Mapbox. Follow the platform's instructions to connect with Mapbox. Select the type of maps you want to customize in your no-code app. Customize the map styles and attributes according to your requirements. Once you've made your selections, save the changes. Preview your app to see the Mapbox custom maps in action. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Finally, publish or update your no-code app to go live with the custom maps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.